When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning
Hindi
light.
pa naman yung damit mo.
Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Oh, may pera ka naman.
I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Hindi ka sige.
I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Pareho ko na lang yung kakain.
I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Sandali lang, sandali lang.
I'll never let you go.
Sarap? Sarap talaga niya. Pistachios. Ha? Sarap. Anong toppings?
Biscuit.
Biscuit. May award yung anak ko for achievers, kaya na-treat ko siya ngayon. Ayan. Hindi ka nakikita, anak eh. Ayaw daw niya. Thank you so much sa mga teacher ng anak ko. See you next year. Ay, hindi pala. See you in
School year.
this coming enrollment. Grade 5 ng anak ko, this coming enrollment. Thank you so much sa mga teacher na nagtuturo sa anak ko for the whole year. Thank you so much kay Ma'am Erica, kay Sir Delwin, si Sir, ano pa yun? Si Sir, ano yan? Sino pa yung sir mo sa, ano? Yung sinabi mo, teacher mo magiging grade 5?
Grade 5 pa yun.
Kaya nga, sino yan? Si Sir, di ba naging teacher mo yun ng grade 4?
Hindi kaya.
Ay, hindi ba? At saka yung sa math nyo, sino yun? Si Ma'am. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga teacher ng anak ko.
Ang dami ng akin mo. Dapat pala strawberry na nilagay.
3 toppings mo sa'yo, 209 eh.
Ba't sa'yo?
139 lang to.
Ha?